finally starting to cool down here in Las Vegas, which means it's time to bring out the tent and hiking boots. So come join us in this adventure, and I'll see you guys out there. Today we're going to be camping out here in Echo Bay Campground. Now, many people don't know this, but eBay was named after Echo Bay out here in Lake Mead. This is our setup right here. We have the tent, sleeping bags, and a blanket here in case it gets cold at night. But yes, campsite's pretty spacious. We're thinking of setting up just right over here. Have a view of the lake right over there. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Really looking forward to it. eBay founder used to frequent the area long before the Marina and resort closed down many years ago. But since the echobay.com domain name was already taken, it was later shortened down to just ebay.com, which we all know today. Welcome back to a new episode. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be camping out here today. We have a beautiful sunset right behind me, and temperatures are supposed to drop to the lower 50s this evening, so let's see how that goes. We pitched a tent. Setup is just right over here, right off of the edge of this cliff, which is just incredible. We have the place to ourselves, which is another great thing. Last time I went camping out here in Lake Mead, we went out to Boulder Beach and it was just far too crowded, and I just didn't like it. So I wanted to try something a little bit different. So right now we're out here in Echo Bay, and this place is pretty empty for the most part. There's a couple campers just down that way, pretty far away. But for the most part, we have this place to ourselves. And look at this. This is incredible. The lake is just right over there. Incredible views all the way around. And again, we're camping literally off the edge of this cliff right here. So yeah, definitely amazing. We might go do a little bit of hiking later this evening as well. Let's see how that goes. But it's supposed to get cold. I'm not sure how the temperature is supposed to be. It's going to be really cold or below the 50s. Not entirely sure, but definitely looking forward to it. I'm going to be taking some photographs out here as well too, which I haven't been doing a whole lot of lately. So it's something I love to do, and I've been watching a whole lot of camping videos lately. Something I've been wanting to do for a while, so definitely going to try that out. Might be doing some more of these in the future. So all right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my setup here. Here we have the house tent with all our stuff in here. We still haven't set up our sleeping bags yet. Our tent is just right over there. And here we have the projector as well as a couple other things. Have my camping box here and a cooler here, which we're going to be using here in a bit. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you inside the cooler in here. Alright, so we have our pico, of course some eggs for the morning, brought some guac, some meat, which we're going to be grilling here in a little bit, chicken, all that good stuff. So I'm going to start grilling here in a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my camping box, which I bring with me every single time I go camping. This thing is really useful. Keep a lot of things in here, which helps me keep it organized. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so in here I have my DJI power station, which we're going to be using later to power up the projector, as well as a couple other things. Have my can insulator, a couple headlamps, clamps, A couple other accessories I need for later. Just under here have cookware, utensils, all that good stuff in here. Like I said, stuff is very useful. Definitely love my power station. Definitely comes handy in case I need to charge anything out here. So that's that. In here to keep a couple knives, as well as accessories, chargers, cables, all that good stuff. Yeah, just keep in there. But yeah, this is my camping setup. I also have my bucket, which I use for also storage. Have my projector in here, screen, gimbal, a couple other stuff I use for filming as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up these sleeping bags here in a little bit before the sun goes down. So see you guys in a bit. Sun's starting to go down now. We have about a good 15-20 minutes left of sunlight left. So I'm gonna get my grill on here in a bit. So, gotta remove this, grab this. Plug that in here in a bit. And this thing just sits here just like this at an angle. Tighten this a bit. And I'm gonna get grilling here in a little bit. All right, so this has been probably one of my absolute favorite tents I've ever owned. And I've owned a lot of tents. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys why. Aside from lots of room inside the tent, about 6 people fit in here. I love this vestibule area here, which is really spacious. And we use to put a couch in here, relax, a couple chairs, maybe a table here. But you can also close it on both sides for privacy as well. That's what it looks like inside the tent, which is really, really spacious. Has a lot of pockets. I can stand up in here. That's how tall it is. So it's definitely spacious in here. Definitely love this tent. So I'm gonna set up these air mattresses here in a bit. Get the airbags out of here. Not the airbags, sleeping bags. And yeah, get this all set up and start cooking. Look at these wonderful views. They're incredible. Wow. We slept just right here. It's like the cliff, which is amazing. The lake is just right over there. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this. And the views are amazing. Have our private bathroom, just right over there. couple of trails down that way. The sun's just starting to go down right now. I mean, look at these views. Incredible. So all the meats are already prepared and ready to cook, so let's get started. Let's check this temperature. Looks like it's right around 400 degrees. So let's start cooking here. Let's get cooking. Got some tacos ready here. This beautiful sunset right here. So that's smelling real good now. All right, so now I'm gonna get the meat cooking for these tacos. So let's get it. That's smelling real good. All right, so we're gonna make some tacos here. Have the taco holders. Netflix, and I was gonna sit back, relax, and finish a movie. So see you guys in the morning. Peace. All right, well, good morning. It's bright and early here in Lake Mead. Couldn't get much sleep last night. There's a bunch of wildlife out here. There was a bunch of burros out here making all kinds of noises in the middle of the night. I did get some audio recording of that noise they were making, which is really strange, but definitely couldn't get much sleep. I'm gonna go ahead and get some breakfast going and get packing and make our way down to the lake. So I'll see you guys around. So I'm boiling some water, make some coffee this morning, and of course we're gonna make some eggs, so let's get it going. And this is one of the main reasons why I really love this griddle. You can just make some breakfast or dinner while simultaneously making some coffee or some tea, just boiling water on the other one with the side burner, and it's just great. Definitely convenient, easy to clean and easy to set up, so it's great. Low. I'm gonna go prepare the coffee. And this is a coffee we're gonna be using, Sense Coffee. That smells really good. This is a hazelnut, so first time trying this one, so I'm hoping it's really good. It looked good, so we'll see. So these were the little guys that didn't let us sleep last night. There's a bunch of them out here. Looks like they just met up here. There's a bunch of them. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. We're gonna drive towards the lake now and hang out for a bit. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.